So welcome to the session. My name is Vidya and I am a senior trainer here at FluencyHubb. Good to see you all.
We are also.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wonderful, great. So today's session is broadly based on public speaking and building confidence. Okay, that is what I'm going to be taking you all through. What are your expectations from this session? Let me have a brief understanding on that. One by one, if anybody wishes to just raise your hand and speak, please.
Yeah,
Yes, Sanket. Yes.
ma'am. I have to I have to grow my self confident. I have to grow
Wonderful.
I have to grow myself, and I have to speak very well.
Wonderful. Great.
Sure.
Absolutely.
Yeah, like this. Only that one.
Okay, great. So you want to speak very well. You want to become a wonderful speaker, and which is why you're here, right?
Yeah,
Great. Happy to know that.
I have to talk with any other person with confidence.
Yes, absolutely. So this is a wonderful forum for us to interact, to speak, to build our confidence and lose the fear of speaking in public. Because right now we have close to 15, 16 of us here in the session. So when you speak in front of everyone, you build your confidence level, right?
Yeah, right, ma'am. Sure.
Wonderful. Absolutely audible to me? Absolutely, yes.
Okay. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Sanket here from Dubai.
Good to meet you, Sanket. Yes, tell me.
I joined earlier this fancy hub, Fluency hub. A couple of days before I joined.
Right.
So I'm so lucky that I got the chance to attend this session. My motivation to join this session is to gain more knowledge, to gain confidence, and improve my speaking skills. Through your knowledge, I can learn much more. So this is my aim to come and to join this.
Wonderful, great. Thank you so much. I hope we're able to achieve that, right? Great. Anybody else wants to give a little viewpoint on what their expectations are from the session?
Yes, ma'am. I want to say something.
Yes,
actually, yeah. Good evening. Actually, nowadays we are in a working field, and we know that if you want to share your views or counter anybody, so if you speak in English, it will be very useful and very effective to counter anybody. And if I have come to know in my working field, if you don't know anything, if you know English, you can fight with anybody by your any article, anything, any topic. So at that time, opponent he can understand that he know much more. Even he don't have depth, a particular field or knowledge or anything. So English is very essential nowadays. And why we are joining a session? Because we are having hesitation. When you are going to any management program or any debate, anything, we have hesitation. And sometimes in our mind that we are talking is properly, or there are any wrong word we are or wrong pronunciation. So that type of less confidence we are lagging, and that time our moral and our confidence level getting low. So and that time only we are getting failed and unable to speak or unable to deliver the word or what we need to inform or share or express my views. That is the main problem what we are facing.
That is the main problem. Okay, all right. Okay, great. Thank you so much for sharing your views. I'm going to share my screen and take you through a small presentation on public speaking. So if you see here, I'm sure each one of you want to be in this position, right? To be addressing a huge group of people speaking so confidently, isn't it?
Yes.
I'm sure each one of you want to be in this space. And we, as your trainers, as your mentors, we want to see each and every student reach this particular position, reach this particular role of being able to address a large group so confidently and so boldly, right? So this is what our ultimate aim is. Wonderful, right? So this is all about public speaking. So let's understand what is public speaking, right? Public speaking is basically the process of communicating with a large audience to be able to inform them or to be able to persuade them. Persuasion means to convince someone, right? So when we have to convince someone, we have to speak very clearly. Clear articulation means you are speaking your words very clearly, explaining it very clearly, and putting your thoughts. It is not just the words, but your ideas are falling in a very structured and sequential manner. That is very important, right? So how you engage with the audience, your body language, gestures, eye contact, face expressions, all these also matters a lot when it comes to public speaking, right? Now, some tips I have given here for public speaking, if you can have a look. First and foremost is whether you're going for a small meeting with your client, with your manager, with your team members, even if it is a meeting with 3 people, 4 people, or a meeting with 30 people, 40 people, you must ensure that you prepare speaking notes. What are speaking notes? You prepare some information that you want to talk about during the meeting, your views, your opinions, right? Sound authentic. Can someone tell me what does authentic mean here?
It means
Genuine, general, ma'am. Like
genuine,
something
Correct.
is
ma'am.
genuine.
Absolutely. Genuine. Authentic means genuine, right?
Genuine.
And you also, absolutely, yeah. So you must sound genuine. So it means do not pretend to be somebody else. Be yourself. Be genuine. The way you are, the knowledge you have, you will be sharing that, right? And you have to share a lot of ideas, general ideas. When we are interacting with a group
Right.
of people, whether it is 3 people, 4 people, or even 30 people, you must share ideas which everybody can understand, right? So, for example, if you're from the field of finance, or if you are a mechanical engineer, or if you're from, civil or electrical engineer, uh, you must not talk only of your engineering, knowledge. You must share general ideas that everybody can understand. So that is how you are able to connect with the audience when you're speaking in public, right? You must know your audience. So who is your audience? Audience are the people who are listening to you. Like for me, you all are my audience. So if I speak something which is very specific to my knowledge, you will not be able to understand. So I have to engage with you. I have to share ideas as per on a very general basis. So when you are speaking, some more tips for public speaking is the speech and the body language is very important. So when I say body language, it means how you conduct yourself, how confidently you look, how confidently you speak, right? All these are very important when it comes to body language, right? So we are talking of things like interacting with the public using eye contact, gestures, your the right pause when you're speaking, pause at the right time. Use a neutral accent. Do not speak in an accent that the other person may not be able to understand. Don't speak too fast. Don't speak too slow. Don't speak too loud. Don't speak too low, right? You have to keep it at the right pace. You must be very confident. You have to act very confident because you know the knowledge. For that, you need to prepare beforehand, right? Which is very important. Understand and learn a few vocabulary words, understand and learn a few business phrases. What does this picture showcase? When it comes to public speaking, what does this mean? What does this picture show us?
It means, ma'am, he or she is very nervous about
Yes,
in public speaking.
about speaking in public. Yes,
She's
someone is very nervous.
yeah, she's scared. She's uncomfortable. She's uncomfortable. Like
Yes, uncomfortable to speak, scared to speak. This is called stage fear. Okay, this is called stage fear.
yeah,
What happens what happens during stage fear? Our hearts start racing, our hands start trembling.
Yes, ma'am.
We
Yeah.
become blank mind. Correct? We all have experienced this. I too have experienced this in my initial days of career. When I have to go and speak in front of so many people, I used to be very scared. I used to feel, mind is blank. I used to feel shy. I used to feel awkward, right? But with a lot of practice, with learning, you must, and when you become confident, you will overcome all of this, right? So mainly, most of the time, we feel awkward during meeting. How many of you have felt this stage fear of speaking?
Uh,
Yeah, yeah,
yes,
yeah.
ma'am.
Have
I'm also.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
I
Many
feel
of
this
us have
nervous,
gone
ma'am.
through
Yes,
this. You do
yes, ma'am.
feel
I feel this nervous.
nervous? Yes, yes, absolutely. Lot of us, many of us feel nervous, and that comes from the space because we don't have the confidence, right? So I will also tell
Yes,
you
ma'am.
how can you
Right.
build confidence and also how can you tackle stage fear. What does the word tackle mean here? Tackle. What does tackle mean?
Follow,
cope up
follow.
from the situation. How to cope
Yes,
up from this
to
situation?
cope. Absolutely right. Thank
Cope.
you so much, Pradeep. So tackle means to cope, to handle certain situation. That is what we're going to learn right now. How do you build confidence and how do you handle stage fear? How do you tackle stage fear, right?